Hi, and welcome to Trendy Natural Remedies. Today I'm going to tell you how to grow thicker and longer eyelashes naturally. Do you sometimes look in the mirror and wish that your eyelashes were thicker? If yes, you are not alone. Many people dream of beautiful eyes with thicker eyelashes. However, uncontrollable factors such as genetics and aging can contribute to the loss and thinning of these delicate hairs. People with specific nutrient deficiencies, eye infection, medical issues and hormonal imbalances are also likely to have thin eyelashes. Even the act of roughly rubbing your eyes or not removing your makeup properly can make your eyelashes fall out. So what must you do? We have conducted a thorough research and compiled the solutions just for you. The first step is to take proper care of your eyelashes, keeping them healthy from roots to tips, encourage their growth and give them a thicker look. Just bear in mind that these natural cures work differently for everyone. So it may take some time, from a couple of weeks to a few months for the effects to show. Try to mix and match 2 or more of these tips and you should find the best combination for you. Here are my tips for growing thicker and longer eyelashes naturally. 1. Castor oil. Bacteria and air pollution can irritate eyelash roots and prevent them from growing healthily. Castor oil has a cleansing and antibacterial effect that can detox the roots of these fragile hairs. Try putting a small amount of castor oil on a cotton swab and apply it on your eyelashes. You can also mix in some vitamin E to the oil. It's best to apply it at night time after you've washed your face and before going to sleep. Then rinse it off thoroughly in the morning. Do this every day for 2 to 3 months. Alternatively, you can replace vitamin E by mixing equal parts of aloe vera gel and castor oil. Similar with the previous mixture, apply it every night for 2 to 3 months. Just a word of warning, avoid getting aloe and castor oil in your eyes. They are safe to the eyes, but they can give a slightly uncomfortable sensation. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil has a nourishing effect on your eyelashes. It helps in keeping the hair's pigmentation dark and thicker in appearance too. Simply dip a cotton swab or an old mascara stick in warm olive oil, in the same way you would apply mascara. Put olive oil on the eyelashes before bedtime. Let it sit overnight and use lukewarm water to rinse it off in the morning. Repeat this daily for a couple of months until you get the desired appearance of your eyelashes. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can boost the growth of your eyelashes. It also keeps the lashes moisturized, giving them more volume and making them look thicker. Just make sure that you remove the latex from aloe vera by washing it well before use. Using the same method you would apply olive oil, use an old but clean mascara stick to apply aloe vera gel to your eyelashes. Do this before bedtime. Leave it overnight and wash off with warm water in the morning. You can also make a special aloe solution using this recipe. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of chamomile infusion, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Mix the ingredients well until you have a homogeneous solution. Use cotton or a mascara stick to apply it on your eyelashes and let it stay for 15 minutes. Finally, wash it off with clean water. Do this twice a day, once in the morning and again before sleeping at night. 4. Eggs. Eggs are rich in protein, which can be directly absorbed through the roots and strands of the eyelashes. The protein can give them more volume and encourage faster growth. Beat 1 egg and mix thoroughly with 2 teaspoons of glycerin until you get a thick mixture. Use a cotton swab to apply on your eyelashes and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it well with cold water. Do this every other day for 3 to 4 months. 5. Coconut milk. Similar to eggs, coconut milk contains a lot of protein. It's also rich in natural fats that accelerate the growth of longer, thicker lashes. Dip a cotton swab in fresh coconut milk and apply it to your lashes. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash off with clean water. Coconut milk is safe for the eyes as long as you rinse it shortly after application. Doing this once a day for a few months can give you healthy looking eyelashes with a beautiful shine. 6. Matcha. Matcha and other variants of green tea are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids. These natural substances make your eyelashes grow longer and thicker. Simply prepare 1 cup of unsweetened green tea and set it aside until it cools to room temperature. Apply the tea to your eyelashes using a cotton swab or ball, making sure that you cover the hairs completely from the tip to the base at the eyelids. Leave it for 15 minutes and rinse well with cool water. Do this natural treatment twice a day for about 3 months. Some final thoughts. When you are trying out these natural cures, you should also remember to be very gentle with your eyelashes. Be careful with them when you're applying makeup or when removing cosmetics at the end of the day. You can also support eyelash growth by taking a diet that's rich in nutrients and vitamins, particularly tocopherol and other types of vitamin E. Just make sure to consult a doctor before taking dietary supplements. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to watch more great videos from Trendy Natural Remedies.